lang, tapos ano, magsasalita na. Hi, ma'am! Hi, sir! Hi, ma'am! Okay. Ito yung mga taga-RightMed. They are the officers of RightMed. Actually, here is boss. Boss of RightMed. Hi, boss! O, ayan. Tapos, ang kanyang mga right hand. O, diba? So, we are here at Bay Hotel right now. Thank you very much for inviting me, sir. Okay, so ito yung aming mga food. Si Ma'am Jean, siya yung taga dito sa Cebu. Okay. Shout out to Leah. Nurse Leah, how are you? Nasayang yung vlog ko kanina because I keep on talking, tapos napansin ko hindi pala naka-video. Oh my god. So second time around. Hi, sir. So they are my RightMed family coming from Manila. Actually, they only came here in Cebu to visit us, their doctors. Actually, marami kaming doctors dito, kaso nga lang ngayon ako lang yung available. So last night they have their dinner also together with Dr. Garcia. Hi, Doc. Mike. Ako naman ngayon. Kasi ikaw last night. Okay, so I would like to say thank you, sir, ha? Thank you. Thank you, mga ma'am. Okay.
Huwag mahihiyang magtanong. May RightMed para sa inyo.
Very good. Well said, sir. Nagtatago si sir, oh. Hindi ko pa na...
Pag may check, that's the right one.
Ah, ganun daw yun. Sir?
Oh, Doc Luke, nanonood ako pero hindi ko i-skip yung ads.
Ay naku, thank you for that. Para magkapera naman tayo, di ba?
Sa mga followers, subscriber ni Doktora, make sure kung may enjoy niyo yung video niya, huwag niyong i-skip yung ads ni Doktora.
Wow, thank you for that. Naku naman.